Hi face, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. I have to start the vlog and multitasking and doing a million and one things at the same time. Oh, your girl is looking fine. I take this opportunity to beat my face just a tad bit and to feel my best self because the president let we out. We're allowed to go shopping today. So it's afternoon. We kind of wait until everybody bum rush it this morning. We're not really going shopping, but I want to go to one sports store. We need to go find passport size pictures for Tyler. So we're just taking in a little space out of the house for a bit. Just about an hour we'll be out and probably get some dinner because the girl ain't cooking today and see what's going on. So that's what we're up to right now. The vlog is kind of just running by because I'm trying to leave this house. So let me show you guys everybody real quick. First thing first, who is this girl? Who is this pretty girl? Who is this pretty girl? Pretty girl, pretty girl. Say hello, say hi. 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 Not that shoes. That shoes is just school shoes. Go to your room. Take your other shoes. Say hello to the face first. Look, look, look. Wagwan. Wagwan. Alright, go get your shoes. Let me show you which one. And I am wearing this amazing pullover exactly by drumroll. Go, take this. Go. We have to get Sarah out of here. Wait. Come. Here. Take it. Here. I'm wearing this pullover by African Fabs. And let me tell you what happened to me just after I put this pullover on. I was trying to get my face done. And splash! Makeup on my clothes, and I decided that I am not taking it off. The first time I'm wearing it and you makeup decide to ruin my day, I'm not taking it off, so I'm wearing it. And the king of the day, let me show you. Boom.
What's up? What's Wagwan? That's Tyler.
You look fine. You look fine.
I just look like I'm going out. When's the last time you went out?
Exactly.
Months ago.
You look fine.
Yeah, what if I meet somebody in the... No, I mean...
Anyway, you guys, put your shoes on and then you can say so. No, put your shoes on and then you can say something to Faves. What's going on right there?
She says she have her shoes on, so she says something.
I don't know what's going on. Right there. She's cleaning the floor. Shoes on. Anyway, you guys, I'm gonna pick up a few masks and then we're gonna head out of this house.
Have to make the paper.
So hopefully you guys are doing good. If it's your first time to the channel, be sure you subscribe and don't miss a vlog. Mondays to Fridays we upload. If you don't get your notification, don't worry because a vlog is there Monday to Friday. You don't have to get your notification to go to our channel and search for that vlog. Anyway, you guys, give this video a thumbs up. I won't tell you to turn that thumbs up blue because it don't turn blue anymore, it turns black. So turn that thumbs up button black. Love you guys. Catch and keep up. And we'll see you guys throughout the rest of today. Hi, Sarah. Hi, Sarah. Hi, Princess. Hi, Princess. Hi, Princess. You just want to roll on the floor? You just want to roll on the floor?
Say something.
Okay, say something.
I mean, it's going to be super fun.
What? Hurry, we gotta go. Ty, hurry.
Gaza Ninja.
Alright, Gaza Ninja, you need your jacket, Gaza Ninja. You guys, the road is busy. As you guys can see. Busy and looking normal.
Busy because this class slow.
You guys, we are in the sports store looking at different things, and this is something that we like. That's a workout trampoline. child, I love trampoline. I think I see a kid jumping on one around there just now.
You know,
Go Ty.
the CP sometimes
So we're looking at different things in the sports store. I really don't know what to get babe for Christmas, so that's why I come to the sports store. What happened? Go this way. I see a trampoline around there. I want to look at it.
You want to look something there?
Yeah, I see the trampoline around there. I want to look at it. Not bad, the prices. 15, not bad at all. And they look nice. These workout outfits look nice. Workout shoes.
That's called fin de série. Fin de série is
Sale.
yeah, it's like when they're changing model. They're selling.
Hold on, did I see €3 on this? That must be 30.
No, I see 25 is Adidas is a brand. So.
Not bad. Delaveaus. Oh, we're going to find it.
The card number.
But those are expensive. 25. I buy one leggings for 25. Look.
No, they're all different.
So as you guys can see, the stores don't have much people, and the few people that they have are really distancing themselves and stuff like that. But yeah, this store is kind of empty.
That we here just walking inside.
Might as well.
Just want to see different things going on.
Mama. I don't want to spend all the time here though. I also want to see in Cafro if they have no Christmas clothes outfit on sale. Which way are we going?
Let's just see what is
On the mall, and it's empty. Nothing like it used to be. Empty. And places like Burger King is takeout. All chairs are up. But yeah, that's what it's looking like right now. See a few people waiting in line to wrap their gifts.
Clothes is open, but only for takeout.
Only takeout. Every chair's up. Everything's up. So we are going inside this toy store to see if we find some gifts for the family. Yeah. Okay, tell Fizz what we just got.
We got two. This is
Two beep. What is
the amount of people inside? I mean.
So once the guy at the door don't have any more of these, he knows that too much people is in the store.
Right.
So yeah, that's awesome. Okay. 100 words. This is a good gift for Sarah.
I saw this, but it was a little bit too advanced inside when I saw it.
Oh, I thought when you touch it, it would make noise. I saw it online too. So why didn't I make nice to give you an example? So we are at another store. Wow. Beautiful Christmas tree. We are heading in. Very Christmassy, yeah? Very Christmassy. A lot of chocolates and more chocolates. The clothes. How the clothes? Normally they're right there. Yes, Dad. Chocolate calendar. That's okay. We have one at home. In this store, have more people in this one. Oh, la la la. Christmas, 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 la la. So I wanted to see if I find the Santa Claus costume for the kids. And the 2 costume would cost me 30 euro. Oh my god, what a thief. So I pass up the Santa Claus costume. We're going to see if we take some passport size pictures for Tyler. But the little lights that are out give us a little hope of Christmas. So a lot more people on this side of the mall, but as you can see, everybody's in their mask, keeping it moving. This is actually the supermarket, maybe that's why so much people is on this side. Ooh! Oh, girl! Not a sexy babe? That is so me. I need to get back a shoes like this. Photo station.
Hey.
We're here struggling to make Tyler take him passport size picture with this machine. It's such a struggle because he's so short for the height of this machine. Hi. Is the thing more balanced for him now? What he's on?
I don't know yet.
Okay.
You stay straight.
He's better now.
You don't smile, you look forward.
Very good. Look right in front of you, Ty. You did it? Oh my god! He finally get it. He's so excited. I can't. This boy is hilarious. KFC.
Je vais vous prendre un menu enfant.
Oui.
Vous avez des popcorn ou pas?
On a les tenders, le crunchy ou le poisson.
Effectivement, le tenders.
Il y a bien comme boisson.
Pepsi.
Avec des frites.
Avec des frites.
Vous mettez quoi comme dessert? Compote, yaourt ou des pommes à croquer, pardon?
Tu veux quoi? Compote, yaourt ou des pommes? Tu veux manger des pommes? Des pommes.
C'est bien avec ceci?
Avec, je vais vous prendre un bucket.
Spicy.
C'est hot wings.
Oui, pour 2 personnes?
Pour 2 personnes.
Comme boisson.
Chicken.
You guys, we're back to this goodness.
Là, tu as du poulet toi aussi.
Hello. It's very, very pepper, this one. Pepper worse than patty. And of course we got, babe and I got spicy chicken wings.
You have this.
And it tastes just like KFC in Jamaica, praise God. And Tyler, what's that? Chicken tenders, right? So it's grub time for the entire dinner time. I'm so in love with this shirt, you guys.
Good thing is that you didn't cook.
The good thing? What do you mean the
What's
good
wrong
thing?
with them? They took...
What happened? What is it?
Ice.
Oh,
iced
so you
tea.
should have iced tea?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
That's fine. That's what I used to take in the past. So that's okay for me. I'm counting the amount of chicken you take. Don't trick me. She always take more than... We take a bucket. She always take more than me.
Mama,
Do I ever disagree?
Mama,
have
look
to
at
condemn.
this toy. It's so creamy.
Do I ever disagree?
Papa, regarde.
Hein? Monsieur Delaveaus? Monsieur Delaveaus? Do I ever disagree?
You're a chicken woman.
He know me and chicken wings. Don't play. And make sure he get 5 and me get 6 at all times. African 5s. Go get your goodies. I didn't even show you guys my full outfit, but as long as you're seeing African Fab shirt, it's a win. Anyway, I'm gonna go finish rubbing. Sarah, look, say hello to the face. Tell him you're back. Tell him you're back. Yeah.
I'm back.
You eating? Sit. Yes, Ty. Yes, Sarah. Do it, Sarah. Do it. Yes, Sarah. Tiffin chicken because I'm not sitting down. Tiff, I'm taking Sarah and run with it.
This one cat count for one.
No. Oh, gosh, baby. And him take the big one, make it worse. You're going to get less. Oh, keep your bone, them, you know. Keep your bone on your side.
Do you see that chicken?
I take it.
When Mel go into KFC, she take the skin and she throw it away. She not even eat the skin. The skin is the best part.
It's too fatty, the skin.
The skin.
Take off the skin and throw it away. Make sure you keep your bone and you see, separate the bone them.
I think it was in Paris. Or in KFC with her. And all of the crispy things, she put them away. I was saying, what's wrong with this woman? It's the best part of the chicken.
You're too funny.
Mama, mayonnaise too.
So why you didn't ask Papa for it? Sarah, give you a bucket chicken?
No.
She have it?
No.
Where is it?
Here.
Okay. Anyway, guys, grubbing is going down. Bye bye. Bye bye. Say bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Look.
Bye bye.
Say bye bye.
Bye bye.
Say bye bye. Papa have our pacifier. She not happy. Say bye bye. She want her passy.
Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.
She knows her passy. Papa have it. Tell them bye bye. You guys, Sarah's heading off the bed. Say bye bye. Bye bye. Say bye bye. No? Nothing tonight?
Oh yeah.